Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a collaboration with Sherry Ann's Kitchen and Caribbean Ducks. She's gonna make her Guyana style stew beef, and I'm making arroz con pollo y gandules. That's chicken and rice with peas. Keep watching to the end and we'll share this recipe with you.
This is the ingredient that I'll be using to make this delicious stew beef. I have here my beef. It's already washed and seasoned. I have cube, tomato paste, black pepper, salt, 5 spice. I have here fresh seasoning. I have here the onion, garlic, fine thyme, celery, and hot pepper. So let me show you the next step. Here I've added the oil to the pressure cooker. So now I'm just going to add the beef. I'm going to allow this to steam down, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys. So I'll mix this up here. I'm just going to leave this to cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. And I'm going to cover this and allow this to pressure for 30 minutes. So now I'm adding seasoning into the pot, and then I'm gonna allow this to cook down, and then I'll show you guys the finished recipe.
I want to thank you for continue watching this video. This is my section of the video where I'm going in with some seasoned infused olive oil, and I'm gonna brown my chicken at this moment here. This only takes just a few moments. So as soon as my chicken is brown on both sides, I'm just gonna remove it and set it aside in a bowl. This only took about maybe 5 minutes altogether to flip the chicken and give it a nice browning, which makes it partially cooked. So the rest of the cooking is gonna be done in the rice. So we're just gonna set this aside at the time. Now I'm going in with my sofrito mix. So sofrito mix is onion, peppers, garlic, cilantro, culantro. And we're just gonna saute this so we can get all that flavor out of it. And this will take just another few minutes. As soon as we get all these ingredients mixed here. I know the bottom of my pot is burnt a little bit, but we're gonna deglaze that as this is cooking. The sofrito is not burning. So here's some fresh peppers that we're gonna be using in this recipe as well. Some wiri pepper from Guyana. Now I'm going in with some celery. That's about a half a cup of celery here. And we're just gonna saute that in as well with the sofrito. We add into the layers of flavor here, folks. This is gonna be one flavorful, one pot rice. So continue to watch and you'll see the rest of it. So we're gonna let everything steam down here. And this is what we're looking like. Now we're gonna introduce a cup of tomato sauce and a little bit of tomato paste into this. And we're just gonna let everything marinate and infuse here. Yes guys, we're going for flavor, so we're gonna add to the layers of this. So continue to watch. Now we're going in with some long grain basmati rice that's been washed. This is about 3.5 cups of rice. And we're gonna blend that in and let all that rice get coated with all this beautiful seasoning here. Look at the color here. We're not done yet. We still got more to go. We're gonna continue to add to the layers here. Here is my annatto oil that I'm gonna add to this. This is gonna bring out all that rich flavor and color. Yes guys, this recipe calls for saffron, but annatto oil that I made, my own homemade annatto oil, is so much better. And we're just gonna give it a good mix in here. No liquid at the moment. We just want to get everything absorbed into that rice. Give it a good mix. And now we're going in with our chopped olives. This is about a cup full of chopped olive. Yes, we're going for that Spanish flavor. Spanish olives, tomatoes, saffron, or annatto oil. That gives it a rare, unique flavor here. And now we're going with our gandules. This is about a cup and a half of gandules or pigeon peas. Yes guys, this is the one pot meal that's full of flavor. This is a Puerto Rican recipe, or should I say a Spanish recipe. Came from Europe and Puerto Rico that I'm borrowing here. I hope I'm not batching it up too much. So my Puerto Rican friends, let me know in the comments how I'm doing so far. Now I'm gonna go in with some water, enough water just to cover the rice just a bit, and then we're gonna bring it up to a boil. Mix everything well in there. Look how beautiful we're looking. Now this is our secret dry seasoning that I'm going in here with. We got a little bit of paprika, black pepper, some oregano and salt, a little bit of thyme in there as well, and we're gonna mix everything well together here while we're cooking on a medium heat. So we're just gonna get that up to a little bubble so that everything gets infused in here. And yes guys, today we're out at a friend's house here. We're doing a nice cookout here. And here's where we add the rest of the liquid in there just to cover the rice. Not too much, just enough to cover the rice so that it can cook very slow. And now we reintroduce the partially cooked chicken back into the pot. Imagine the flavor that's going on here. This chicken has been seasoned overnight in my all-purpose green seasoning, Caribbean style green seasoning, and now we put it back into the pot to simmer and finish the rest of the cooking. So this time we want to mix it in well, stir it, and gently stir, not to mash the chicken. And we're gonna cover it down and bring it up to a light boil. And now we cover it down to a very low heat. And if you can see what I did here, I covered the pot lid with some aluminum foil so we can trap the steam in there so the rice get nice and fluffy. So we're coming down to the end and we're gonna give it a taste for salt.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Does he have enough salt?
A little more salt.
Okay, good.
Good. It's good. I love it. I never eat this before.
Awesome.
Turning the Spanish rice that Sandy cooked from Caribbean duck.
It's
Wow,
something
this
different.
could feed the whole place, Sandy.
Well, I hope everybody come with the appetite.
Yes. Yeah.
It's a lot of food.
I know.
Well, I hope the family come with appetite.
It'll be like takeaway, guys. So you need to do that with done, or you have like a little more steam?
I'm gonna cut it off and let it steam
Steam
with the
itself.
residual heat.
Alright, sounds good. Alright, let it steam.
Guys, this is the finished recipe here. I have here my stew beef. This is looking so delicious. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this delicious recipe.
So guys, here's a finished product. Arroz con pollo y gandules, chicken and rice with pigeon
Look at
peas.
this.
Can you give
All
it a
in
taste, see if
one,
we have
one
enough
pot
salt?
The pot is full, guys. Alright, let's taste.
So guys, I'm sampling a little bit of everything that was cooked today, including Sherry Ann's stew beef and my arroz con pollo. So please share the love, give us a like, subscribe, and check us out. Please remember to check out Sherry Ann's Kitchen and Caribbean Duck. We thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Come back and visit us soon.